Need to change formation on FPL? Then you're on the right video. First thing first, move into your application Fantasy Premier League. Once you're logged in into your specific account, you need to head over to Fantasy at the bottom of the screen. In this page, click on Pick Team at the very top of the screen. You will see the team that you have created. Now if you want to change the formation, then all you gotta do is simply select one of the players from your team. Once you have selected, click on Substitute. Now choose any of the players from the bottom. Let me choose this one for now. Once you have selected, you can see that the formation has been changed. Likewise, simply select the player and click on Substitute and select other player. Once you're happy with the formation, click on Confirm. And there you go, the ratio and the formation has been changed. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.